Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble your Onyx 10mm and 20mm front hubs. It's the same procedure for both axle types on this hub. You'll need an 8mm hex key and a 2.5mm hex key to perform this. Jump right in and locate the pinch bolt on your preload collar of the hub. Use your 2.5mm hex key to loosen the pinch bolt. Remove the preload collar with a counterclockwise rotation. Now to remove the axle through the hub, you need to give a push towards the opposite end. Use the palm of your hand and press firmly on the axle, then pull from the opposite end of the hub. Once removed, you can now clean your bearings or clean the interior of the hub using a brush. Once ready to reassemble, go ahead and take your axle and slide back in through the hub using a firm press seat into both bearings. Once seated, you can now install your preload collar on the opposite end of the axle and tighten until you feel it make contact with the bearing. You can hold the axle to fine-tune the adjustment. Once satisfied, take your 2.5 hex key and tighten the pinch bolt. At this point, you'll now want to install the hub into your fork using the 20mm through bolt or the hex bolts. Once in your fork, be sure that the axle bolts or the through bolt is at riding torque spec. Next, take your 2.5 hex key and loosen the pinch bolt on your preload collar. Turning counterclockwise will loosen preload and allow for side-to-side play. Turning clockwise will tighten the preload and alleviate side-to-side play. Too much preload will cause bearing drag and a slow rolling hub. Find the sweet spot, then take your 2.5 hex key and tighten the pinch bolt to hold the adjustment. Once complete, you are now ready to get back on the track.